Hey you guys, so it's been a while since I've put up a cooking video. Sorry, I'm just turning on my lights in my house. So this video is pretty much sorry, I just had a brain fart. Excuse my appearance too. I'm in the house and I just have on this hat. I've had on this hat for like a week. I don't know why, but it just feels comfortable. Anyways, so I'm putting up a cooking video. It's gonna be ackee and saltfish, something that Jamaicans love to eat. Yeah, so I feel like I'm out of the loop. I haven't done a cooking video in so long, it's like I don't even know what to say. But stay tuned, you're gonna see what I do, how I do it, and I hope you enjoy. Be right back. Okay, so I have my Scotch bonnet peppers, my saltfish, 2 tomatoes, 2 small onions, a tin of ackee. You can use whatever brand you feel like using. I just have this one because that's what was on sale. Some black pepper and salt. I might not need the salt because it's saltfish. It has its own salt. So depending on when I taste it, if it needs more salt, then I'll add salt. This pot, I already have my saltfish boiling. In the meantime, while this is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting up my tomatoes and my onions because that's what I'm going to cook into the ackee and saltfish. So this is going to boil for probably about like 15 minutes. Okay, so, excuse my counter, it has like nice cuts on it. I took the saltfish out of the pot, just ran it under some cold water, and then just crumbled it up into these fine pieces. You don't want to make them too small because you do actually want to taste the saltfish when you're eating it. I've cut up my I used 1 tomato. I made it kind of big, but kind of small, but not too small. I cut up an onion and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. And like I said, I'm going to be using the ackee. As you can see, it says it's in a brine, so I don't have to boil it ahead of time. It's already been boiled, and like I said, sitting in this brine, it's already cooked. So I'm just going to strain the brine off of it and then put it in a bowl and then show you what I put in the pot and how I do it. In my Dutch pot, I have about 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. I have everything lined up in order, how they're going in the pot. First, my tomatoes and onions, then the saltfish, then the ackee. That's what it looks like out of the can, and rinsed off in a separate bowl. So, throw these in, and I'm just going to let these saute for a little bit. So I'm just going to let these saute for a little bit. I love the smell of fried tomatoes and onions. Sorry my angle because I'm trying to hold the camera with one hand and stir with the other hand. So yeah, that's going to go for like 3 or 4 minutes, and then I'll add the saltfish. So I'll be right back. So this is not really the best angle that I have going right now, but it's going to have to do for now because I need to hold the pot while I'm cooking. So this is what the stuff looks like after it's been sauteing for a bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the saltfish. And I'm going to mix that around. Once the saltfish is in there, I'm going to go ahead and add some black pepper. This is to taste, so you add as much as you want in there. And then I'm going to stir that around. So this is what it's looking like. And if you want, you can eat it just like this without adding the ackee. You can eat this with bread. You can eat this with cabbage. You can add cabbage to this and cook it down, which is saltfish and cabbage. You can eat it with boiled dumpling. You can eat it with whatever you want. So this is literally just saltfish without the ackee. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the ackee. And with this, you don't want to do too much stirring. You just want to fold the saltfish into the ackee. And you're going to let this go for about another 5 to 7 minutes. And I'm going to add just a little bit more black pepper. And because of the fact that the ackee is already cooked, this is the point where you would go ahead and taste it with the saltfish in there to see whether or not you need to add salt to it or not. So yeah, I'm going to let this just go. This is what it looks like. It's not the most eye-appealing dish, but trust me, it tastes really, really good. So when this is done and plated up, I will be back and show you what it looks like. Those are just my dumplings that I have boiling away in my pot. They should be done in about 5 minutes or so, and then I'll plate everything up and show you what it looks like. So stay tuned. So this is pretty much what my dinner looks like. 3 boiled dumplings with some ackee and saltfish on top. Nothing special. If you want, you could serve it with boiled banana, you could serve it with yam, you could serve it with a whole bunch of different stuff, but this is just what I want, so this is what it looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed my mini tutorial. It's been a minute since I've been in, well, recording videos in the kitchen. I've been in the kitchen, but I haven't been recording, and hopefully I'll be coming out with something else soon, so stay tuned. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any requests of what you want to see me cook, because I don't always remember to take my camera up, just leave me a message in my comment section telling me what you'd like to see me make, and I will surely get to it. So take care. I love you guys. Bye.